I gave you my heart.
My name is Shelly. What is your name?
My name is Aarohi.
Aarohi.
Yeah,
Okay, and Aarohi, how old are you?
I am 5 years. I am 6 years old.
Oh, did you just have a birthday?
Yeah.
When was your birthday?
4th October.
4th of October. Okay.
Wow.
And Aarohi, where do you live? I live in Canada.
I live in India.
India. Okay. You are very far away from me.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one sister. It's 10 months.
She's smaller than you?
Yeah, baby.
How old? Oh, a baby.
6
Okay.
months.
She's just little.
Yeah.
Is she fun to hold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does she cry a lot
A little bit when she wakes up.
when she wakes up and she's hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. What's our goal for today? What's the takeaway?
Describe the way you get to school.
Good job. And what's some of the words?
Vocabulary. Go to bicycle, car, bus, plane, train, walk.
Good. Okay. This one. Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Good job. Do you have a bicycle?
Yeah, I have a bicycle.
What color is your bicycle?
Yellow.
Oh, that's a pretty color. My bicycle is black.
Nice.
Two.
I go to my car with school. When my school is finished, I go to car. And
So like this. I go to school
I go to school
by car.
by car.
Good job.
My sister's birthday, I was go to the Mumbai with.
You're going to go to Mumbai with your sister for her birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be fun. What are you going to do in Mumbai?
In Mumbai,
What will you do?
I do happy birthday to my sister, cake cut, and give some gift.
Oh, that sounds like it's going to be a really good time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I like to go out for walks, but I don't like walking in the heat.
Good job. Okay, are you ready for some questions?
Yeah.
Okay. What are some ways that Michael and Raja get around town? Which ones? Do they go by car anywhere?
No.
No.
Wait. Raja walks.
Okay. So we want on foot.
Michael
So this is a yes.
by car. Yeah. And Michael go by car. There is.
No, there's no car.
Okay.
Does anyone go by train?
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so either. What about by bus?
Bus. I think so.
Yeah? Okay. Well, let's take a peek. Let's see how close we were. Yay! You were right. There was one other thing that they used.